right, last one.
Researchers 3D printed a cheesecake. Whoa. Why's it got to be researchers? It makes it so unappetizing. I don't want to eat your research.
Call them chefs.
All right? 3D printing chefs. Researchers have been pushing the limits of 3D printing for decades using the manufacturing technique to churn out consumer goods such as furniture, shoes, human organs, and even a rocket. But can the industrial technology be applied to make a fully baked dessert that can be fabricated in your home kitchen? Engineers at Columbia University set out to do just that. A team whipped up a 7-ingredient vegan cheesecake that was assembled and cooked entirely by a 3D printing machine and in a new innovation, laser technology. If it tastes okay, it looks ugly. It looks ugly, but if it tastes good, I'm going to hear you. Okay.
So with 3D printing, and it's only 7 ingredients, what they're wanting to do with this is like actually specifically put ingredients into different places within the cheesecake.
I see. Okay.
So if you can imagine, like a cheesecake could have like a blueberry side or like a strawberry side or an apple side.
It's like when you order a pizza, but you get half of it with certain toppings. Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
I guess it's kind of cool, but I mean, this is a lot of energy to do a thing that's really not that hard to do. I guess make a cheesecake? I don't know.
Some people would say it's
I guess you're right. This is a hard thing to nail, and if somebody could, as a proof of concept, who knows where you could apply it. What stands out about Columbia's engineering research is that it uses lasers to cook the food, so it's cooking it as it's printing. That is pretty cool. You print and cook in the same setup. So you just click a futuristic food. I don't know. I guess we all got to get used to it. It's going to 3D print your meal. Cook it at the same time. You got to fill it with ingredients.
Yeah.
That's an issue.
It has like they're working on the center, which is kind of funky.
Peanut butter filling on a graham cracker paste as part of the 3D printing process.
Huh?
All right. Hey, man, listen, I don't know.
This is the 7 ingredients here. Would you try it?
Yeah. I mean, it's not it's not like lab grown food or something. It's just layered in there slightly differently.
Yeah.
Using a process that we associate with 3D printing machines, but like what is 3D printing when you really think about it? It's essentially layers. It's building something one layer at a time. And then the only thing that changes here is the substance you're using to build it. And in this case, it happens to be edible. And in other cases, it happens to not.
And what I imagine it would be is kind of mushy, right? It would have like the same texture.
It's just funny how traditionally, like we have this traditional idea of a chef and an oven, and that's very appetizing. And then a lab and a researcher.
Scientists.
And then the outfits are not all that different.
Yeah.
But somehow we're like, I don't know. Seems less enticing, but in the future, that's the way it goes, Will. It's all generative images and 3D printed food-like substances cooked by lasers while you're inside of your Meta headset making $190,000 a year to do nothing. That's how it goes.
Perfect.